Oh! What is that?
Because of the salad tomorrow.
Papa, men are me fear me when I want to dance,
Oh, you too, you make me feel
I'm coming, yeah? Oh, so you are here. Why are you not the same person I was in that room with?
What are you doing here?
Shut up! You told me you were coming. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Hey, God.
Besides, who told you that I'm here?
I just have to describe you to the receptionist.
And so the receptionist told you that I'm here?
Yes.
What? Please, I beg.
What? Please, let's continue. No. What's the meaning of... Oh! What is that?
Because of the salad tomorrow,
Baby, stop the salad. You're not even...
Please, I beg you. I'm having an encounter with God. Please, I beg you.
Yeah, because of salad now, God. Why? Oh, please, stop crying. Oh, you're having what? Oh.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. Why are you doing this?
Who is that? Hey.
Radio. Please, radio.
God. What man? I'm done.
I get that.
Sweetheart! Now, where? How are you free?
Black Angel.
Black Angel?
Yes,
Black
Black
Angel.
Angel. Black Angel.
Me, Black Angel.
Night.
You hold on. No.
Please.
Please what? So you had an woman?
No. The thing is, I will explain everything to you. The thing is,
Don't worry, let's continue.
No,
Continue. Madam, be going. Pack your things and start going. You better tell her to leave. So you have another woman.
No,
Let's finish.
I have to.
Hey, let's finish what we started. Hey.
Please, I beg.
We all finished.
Come here. So you had another girlfriend aside me. So you be lying to me.
No. What an woman.
No.
You can't talk.
No. I'm reciting Arabic. I'm reciting Arabic. Please.
Hey!
Like Quran chapter 52 verse.
Please let her.
You understand?
Please, how? How can you lie to me? Madam, being the same boat as you.
My black white thing. The thing is,
You're calling me White Angel. And she's Black Angel.
I love you. But okay,
Please, you were telling me because of Salah, you want to pray, and now you said you wanted to have an encounter with God. Now you are reciting Proverbs for what? Now I'm a Black Angel. Hey. Anyway, we are going to finish what we started. Lie down.
Like how?
Climb bed, lie down.
I should like her.
Bring your leg.
Oh, I beg you, black and white, please, black and white. I beg you, black and white.
Open.
White, white. I beg you, white. I beg you. Oh.